Quick audit. If you have 2 or more vehicles or any employees driving for work, this checklist can reveal the gaps that cost businesses the most in claims. Hi, I'm Marty with JMW Insurance Solutions. We help business owners protect what they've built and keep fleet exposure from turning into expensive surprises. Fleet coverage doesn't have to mean 10 trucks. For many businesses, a fleet is simply multiple vehicles, multiple drivers, business use patterns that create liability exposure, and once you have that, the question becomes, are you covered in a way that is consistent, clean, and defensible? Here's a practical fleet coverage checklist you can use today. The goal is clarity and then correction. Vehicles. Are they all properly scheduled and described? Are all business vehicles listed on the policy? It sounds obvious, but when businesses grow quickly, vehicles can be added and used before insurance is updated. Are vehicle types and uses accurate? Delivery versus job site versus sales travel can matter. Are tools and equipment exposures addressed? If you carry tools, your risk isn't just the vehicle, it's what's inside and what moves with it. Do you have adequate physical damage coverage for the vehicles? If a truck is totaled tomorrow, could you replace it without major disruption? Drivers. Are you treating driver risk as a system? Do you have a driver eligibility standard? Who is allowed to drive? What disqualifies a driver? How often do you check driving records? Do you have a simple written driver policy? No texting, seat belts, no unauthorized passengers, and reporting incidents immediately? Do you train or refresh driving expectations? Even a 10-minute quarterly reminder can reduce distracted driving. Liability. Are your limits realistic? Are your liability limits high enough for business risk? Auto accidents can become severe claims quickly. Many businesses are under-limited without realizing it. Do you have hired and non-owned auto if needed? If employees drive personal cars, your business can still be pulled into liability. Do you have an umbrella policy when appropriate? Umbrella can protect against catastrophic claims that exceed auto liability limits. Claims readiness. Can you respond fast? Do drivers know what to do after an accident? Who to call, what to document, how to take photos, how to report? Do you have a basic incident reporting process? A consistent process reduces confusion, speeds claims, and improves outcomes. The fast fixes that usually make the biggest difference. If you want the top 3 improvements that most fleets benefit from, it's usually these: clear driver eligibility plus periodic driving record checks, simple driver policy plus consistent reminders, proper limits, and hired non-owned coverage when applicable. These are not expensive changes compared to the cost of one major claim. Fleet risk is manageable when you treat it like a system. The goal is not perfection, it's consistency. Consistency prevents losses, protects your team, and makes your business easier to insure at better terms over time. If you want a quick audit of your auto and fleet setup, drivers, vehicles, and liability gaps, we'll review what you have and recommend the cleanest fixes. https://jmwinsuranceSolutions.com. Business insurance.